Again. So today, thanks first of all yesterday for a very good video of the updates. For today, I want to start by walking through the marketing funnel or user tracking or yeah, let's just call it the funnel task. I think on Trello it's the funnel. Let's see. It is uh, create funnel. This one. It's this task. So um, the what we did was we want to track a user as all the actions that a user takes on our website, and we what we built was we actually built it. We made it look like a funnel when we drew it on the screen on the whiteboard. And what we want to track is where the users are coming from. So the top of the funnel is actually on the left side, and it's all the different ways traffic is coming into our site. So organic, Facebook, AdWords, and a lot of other ways ad traffic is coming in. Then it's going to users are logging in or registering, um, clicking on terms and conditions or exiting, and so on. The funnel goes all the way to towards the end where we are renting. I think it's like a drop off or something, or rent another car. Yeah, rent another car. So we want to track all these actions in between that the user has to take on every as they go through our system. And same way on the owner side, this is same thing. On owner's funnel uh, is it starts from on the right side, all the places where traffic is coming from, and then how is how what are the user doing on every step on our site as they're going through the funnel, narrow towards the end. And that's what you are trying to track. That's what your job is using segment is to track that funnel. So once we are tracking all these events, we will use segment to build the funnel so we can see that user movement through our system. um, and this is really important so we can track where users are getting stuck or where we're using losing a lot of users, and so we can do A/B testing in the future to improve our user experience, and we have metrics to measure against. Cool. That's part one. Then everything else that I also wanted to update all of you on what else tech is working on. I know on Zoho, BCK is working on uh, what we did. What BCK and Nate did was they took down. They were trying to remove duplicates from our Zoho. So what they did was they pulled down all the Zoho data, removed duplicates, and uploaded it back again. It removed the duplicates, that's good, but it it caused user status to be out of sync because it defaulted all the users to one status. Um, so what they're doing now is and a new feature was requested in the sprint was to our sales process is going to be by regions. So they wanted a zip code associated with every user. So in Zoho, which is every contact. So um, also Nate found out that you cannot do regions without having an accounts module in Zoho. So they did a couple of things. They pulled down the data again, Now they're matching it against our database and adding zip codes to it, adding user status to it, and creating accounts for those contacts, and then they will upload it back again into Zoho. Meanwhile, that takes so what Bisika is doing takes care of existing customers, existing contacts. Mayur is working on setting up as users sign up on our site. We should be creating an account for them, and we should also in Zoho account in Zoho and in the accounts module and link it to the contact. And he's also setting up round robin based on location. So based on uh, what part of America the person is signing up from, they will be assigned to a different sales team. So I'll show you America's map so you will understand the three different regions we are creating. Come on. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you can see this is the US. So one region we are dividing it into three regions. One is the West region, so it's all of this. So like Las Vegas, Idaho, all of this on the west side. If you can see my mouse, it's Seattle, Portland, San Francisco, LA, San Diego, Vegas, Nevada, Oregon. That area. Then this one region is on the east: Maine, Vermont, Massachusetts, New York, Philly, Maryland, Virginia, Florida, all of that region. And then all the rest of it is in a different region. So it's three regions: so east, middle, west. Cool. So he's working on assigning leads, assigning contact owners by region as users sign in. That's why I asked him to combine that work together. What you guys are working on primarily is a lot of framework stuff for technology, a lot of underlying work. One, you're setting up monitoring servers, you're setting up sample for CI/CD on GitLab, along with some unit automated tests. And that's all I have for now. I look forward to your update tomorrow morning. Thanks. And also call me if you have any questions.